The body of a male found in a vehicle has been identified as a police sergeant. His service pistol is also missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we're about to provide you with the details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police here have now confirmed the identity of a decomposing body found in a vehicle in the community of Pepper near Goshen, St. Elizabeth yesterday. It has been identified as a 50-year-old police officer. The police officer has been identified as Sergeant Linson Simit, who was reportedly last seen by his common-law wife on Thursday leaving home in Manchester. Yesterday, he was found slumped over in his Toyota Tacoma truck at Friendship District in Pepper. The police were called to the remote area shortly after 9 a.m., where Simit's body was found with blood coming from the left side of his ears and mouth. The body was in a partial state of decomposition. The police firearm was not recovered at the scene. The police are carrying out a high-level probe into the matter, and a major probe have been launched by the Area 3 Major Investigation Division. We'll continue to track this story on Links 007 TV News Report and provide you with any more information to come. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.